Hey, Cherry Bummers, it's Tuesday, March 29th, 2022. We've got Amazon in a short put vertical from Tasty Trade today. Amazon is not super liquid, and they put us in the weeklies, which probably hurts the liquidity pretty bad, my guess. It has an IV rank of 37, but the nice thing is it has defined risk, and we've been doing lots of short puts recently, so I'll take the variety. Okay, cool. If you're interested in doing this, stick with us. If not, have a nice day. Maybe I'll see you again sometime soon. Let's get going, shall we? Hi, everybody. My name is Neil. This is Option Theory. Thank you so much for joining us. Take a look on screen now. You can see that we're looking at the chart for Amazon, and as we saw in the email from Tom Preston, which comes from Tasty Trade to our inbox 4 days a week with trade ideas, the link is in the description down below. It'll take you to the email sign-up page so you can sign up for any, all, or none of the email lists that Tasty Trade has. None of this stuff is an affiliate, so you're not paying me anything. This is still just free stuff that I do, 4 days a week if I can. All right. So here we can see that we're looking at a pretty sharp rise, and according to the email we got from Tom Preston, they mentioned a stock buyback recently. And we do have earnings coming up on May 5th. The expiration they have us in the weeklies is April 29th, which is going to have us exit the trade, even if we held the expiration prior to the earnings date. So let's go over to the Analyze tab, and you'll see that I have the April 29th world open, 31 days to expiration as of today, the 29th of March. And what we're looking at doing here is selling the 32.45 put and buying the 32.40 put for protection. There it is here, short the 32.45, long the 32.40. We have one contract as our default size. If you don't know how to set your default order size, I do have a video in my playlist on getting started with Thinkorswim on a whole bunch of things, including setting your order defaults. All right. Now, with that said, we're looking at collecting $160. That would be our max possible profit on this one. And we're $5 wide, right? So our max loss on this one will be $340. Of course, because we can lose more than we can make, our probabilities should be better than 50-50, right? So let's go ahead to the risk profile and check out what our probabilities are. First thing to do is always set that date in the top right to match the date in blue in the bottom left. And that is April 30th. Now we have our expected move in this light gray column, if you would, here. And we've got these price slices. But I want the price slice, just one of them, to be right where that red line is. I'm going to go over to this little menu button here. You can't, the three lines, can't see it. I promise I clicked it. Then I choose Set Slices. Then I choose Break Even. And then I hit the blue date, April 30th. That sets that gold line, or I like to call it my goalpost, to the break even at expiration, giving us a 63% probability of profit at expiration. Now, if you follow the Tasty Trade mechanics, you're going to look to manage this trade at 21 days to expiration, right? So in another 10 days, we'll see what happened. If it moved the direction we wanted to, if enough time passed, we can either take our profit and close the trade, we can roll the trade. Of course, with verticals, it's harder to roll, but it's still possible depending on how far the wrong direction it went. But there that is. Let's go ahead now that we know our probabilities, and let's take a quick look at Tastyworks to see what the P50 metric is. I got that pulled up for you here. P50 for this one is a 71% probability of making the $80. That would be the mechanic at which Tasty Trade recommends that you get out. So now that we have that, let's go back here, right-click this trade, and choose Confirm and Send. You can't see that, so let me click this button, and it says $160, max 340. Did I say that wrong before? I don't know. 340 max loss before. And then because this is a margin account, I don't know why, but it's taking out that whole 340. If you have an IRA, it would be the same thing here. 340. That's why I was a little surprised that they taking that much, but whatever. We're going to go ahead and hit, I'm going to throw that in the IRA. Let's give the IRA a little love. Let's go ahead and hit send, and there it is. All right, everybody, thank you so much for watching to the end of my videos. It does help me in my little tiny corner of the YouTube world that you watch these videos to the end, so big thumbs up to you. All right, until I see you in tomorrow's video, may the market be with you.